all goofy goobers. You're a goofy goober. We're all goofy goobers.
You just squished one.
Are they right under me?
Keep going. Just keep going. And squish. Oh, different. Squish. Keep squishing them. There you go. There you go. Okay.
Okay, get it.
Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Where are they?
I don't know, the fries.
Oh, squished.
Woo!
Woo! Woo!
That ends our video.
Woo! Woo!
Okay, goodbye.
Woo!
Bye-bye.
Woo!
Get off my channel! There's a dead bird! Look at it! Seriously, look at it!
Woo! Ew. Okay, I think
Look
that's
out your window and like look at it. Oh, you see that? You don't see that every day.
Okay, I think that's where we need to end it. It's a little bit sick.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
They're pretty pretty.
Go ahead.
Don't worry, we got the fries. Ew. Ew, that's disgusting.
That looks so cool.
Why are we gonna put this in our car? It's coming off. Ew! It has snow on it.
Hold on, let me figure out where to put that.
I don't think. Ah! What are we gonna do with that? Okay, we do the other one to scoop it up.
Throw it out there.
Here, hold this.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
We are having some technical difficulties with our situation.
Okay, guys, gotta scoop this up.
Ew, that's gross.
I know. Ew, where are we gonna put this?
I don't know. Is there a trash can anywhere? Oh, throw it in the dumpster.
Oh, right back.
No, I'll drive you over there. Okay, well, we don't want you to be grossed out anymore, so...
Poor bag.
That was the most fun I've ever had.
Yeah.
Somewhat. You can see that dead bird. I'm gonna squish it.
Let's go squish. Ew! Don't squish the dead bird. Here's the dead bird. Where is it? Oh no! Goodness! Did you really squish it?
I don't know.
Let's have a drive-by.
No, we're gonna squish it.
Don't go squish. Don't. You better not put it in reverse. Okay. No.
I'm gonna go squish it.
Don't go squish it.
I'm gonna go squish it.
Ah!
I'm gonna go squish it.
Ah!
There better not be a car.
Yeah, there better not be. Okay.
I'm gonna go squish it.
What the frick is it? Where's the bird? Oh, there it is. Ew. No. Wait, I think. Ew, it did! Ew, it's like. I'm not recording. I am not recording. Alright. Now that we look casual, like complete beasts, and now that that person's driving out, I'm recording him, and he better like it. Yeah, let's go squid. This is demented.
This is not demented. Peace. Did we hit it?
I don't know. I'm sort of scared. It's getting cold in here.
Make sure you have the window down. Dip, dip.
Just shut your face.
Dude, we should pick up that bird and throw it in the basketball goal. I'm not even. Look, I'm driving with no hands. I don't need hands to drive. I really don't. You see?
The frick?
I don't need hands to drive. Oh, I do.
No, I don't.
I'll use my knees.
Okay, whore. Okay.
Look, I'm driving with my knees.
I feel like a porno right now because I'm just like looking at your
I'm
lower
driving
areas.
with my knees. Look at this.
I don't want to look down there.
Drive with my
Cover your hand. Right there. Okay, that's better. There better not be a car coming up here. Or
I'm done driving my knees.
you better be. I'm gonna rape your face.
We gotta end the video so I can talk my secret CIA stuff.
This is.
Don't let me die here. Bring me to wake me up. Wake me up inside. I can't wake up. Wake me up inside. Save me. Call my name and save me from the dark. Wake me up.
Y'all ready for this?
Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Op, op.